Hello and welcome back to my static life. We're here on another sunny but cold day, and today we're going to be looking at a bit of an old caravan. Now it's called an Atlas Sherwood. So this is the Atlas Sherwood, and it's a 39 by 12 foot caravan. It's got 2 bedrooms. It's a 2007 caravan. It's got front opening doors, and it's on the market for £21,495. Let's get in and have a look around. So as we come in, we're first greeted by almost a little hallway, and look at this, it's got a separate kitchen to the dining room and the living room. They're all separate. So if we come in into the kitchen, wow, look at that for a cooker. That is an impressive looking cooker. You've got your usual hobs, plus you've got, if I'm honest, I don't even know what that's for, but presumably flames come out of there. It's a grill maybe, and you've got rapid thingamajig, what's the word for it? And then look, this nice big old style cooker in which you can clearly see what's going on. And I don't know what this is. Look at that. A nice big tray underneath in order to put all your pots and pans. Very tidy. And we've got a little grill there and a separate, so we've got 2 grills going on. You know what, just with the cooker alone, I'm impressed with this van. I bet whoever sold this van, this must have been the love of their life, this van. And then we've got this huge fancy extractor fan. Amazing. Plenty of cupboards. Now these are perfect to keep all your wine glasses in and your beer glasses in, aren't they? Come round and look, we've got this nice little nozzle on his tap. Very handy is that. And again, we've got, look at that, these cupboards in the kitchen, they're just lovely, aren't they? Coming down, plenty of drawers, cupboards. We've got space for even a washing machine as well, or you know, a dishwasher maybe. Nice big fridge freezer, so that is looking really good. So I like this kitchen, very nice. And then we turn around and we go from an almost sort of white and black to this orange looking dining room with a solid orangey wood table, and we've got this curtain pole with orange curtains at the side. Now I don't know if I like that, if I'm honest. I'm sure lots of you do. I'm sure a lot of you look at that and go, that's lovely. Not for me. And then we're going to come in to the living room. Now just scan around it briefly, right, just to give you a quick view. But here's what we've got. So we've got freestanding furniture. So I'm just going to take a sit down on the sofa now. Got a nice big armchair in the corner. We've got a fireplace look, which looks really nice. Gives it a bit of a cozy feeling. Big mirror above the fireplace, and then we've got this solid unit for your TV, and again a photo frame with a light above it. Really nice decor. Nice big coffee table. If I come round and sit on the other chair and look the other way, I can show you the nice big solid freestanding sofa. And then we've got this huge cabinet. Now I reckon back in the 90s every house had one of these cabinets to display all the little knickknacks and other random shite that they collected. You don't see them in houses very often anymore, although I think my grandma's got one actually. And just turning round, I want to show you, you've got front opening doors with curtains, and I'm not sure what you call that curtain effect above it, but some people might like it, some may say it's a little bit old fashioned. Something that my grandma would definitely like. I like it in the respect that it has got this old-fashioned cosy charm to it. Now, when this Caravan came out, this will have been top of the range, I think. So let's turn around, go back through the dining room, past the kitchen, and we're greeted by two doors. Now, one's looks like the main door. Presumably this is just a cupboard, and yeah, it's just a cupboard. Hang your coats in and probably put your vacuum in there. Perfect, ideal. Let's have a wander down here. So the first room we come to, we've got this nice little second bedroom, and it is nice as well. Check that out, it looks really pretty, and we've got cupboards above it, so there's plenty of storage up there. Also, if we turn around, you've got drawers. Now, you don't normally get drawers in a second bedroom, so that's really nice to see that. It's really nice to show that this van, there's plenty of storage in there. And again, look, we've got, not only have we got storage, but if we come down, because it's so deep, we've got some shelves in as well. I'm really impressed with this van. It might be an old van, but it's a quality old van. Wow, and we're coming to the master bedroom. Just look at that, doesn't it look good? You've got the huge bed. You've got a mirror above the bed going the full length of the Caravan. You've got cupboards above it. You've got tons, and also I just have to point out again, these them curtainy things over the mirror. Now, do you think that looks good? Is that something you like? I'm not sure I like it, but wow, I've just seen this. I'm gonna have to turn the camera around now. We'll turn it around this way. Look at that, right, for a dressing table area. You've got this lovely oval mirror. I'm just going to sit on the bed here to show you properly. So you've got this lovely oval mirror, and then you've got these drawers going down outside. You'll be able to fit all your hair dryers and straighteners. You've got a puff here. You've got more drawers over there. There's storage for everything. And you've got a nice window at the side to let some light in. And then at the side of it, whoa, what is this? Look at that. We've got an ensuite bath. Wow, I can honestly say I have not come across an ensuite bath. And it's got a nice little shower screen. So you've got a little bath. It is small, but you could definitely get in there. You've got a nice tall shower. So don't matter how big you are, you can get in there and have a shower. And look at the sink. Look how stylish this is. Wow. You know what? For an old van, this is really impressive. You've got a little bit of storage there. Oh look, you could put all your shower gels and shampoos on. Fantastic. You've got, look at that toilet though. No idea who's done that or what they were thinking. Wow. As much as this is a lovely Caravan, there's certain features that, you know, it does remind you that it's old. Look at these, I like these. Little hooks for your towels or your dressing gown. And then we come out of there and look at that. Look at the size of that wardrobe you've got in your bedroom. There's more space than anything in here. Look at that. Look at all that storage. And then you've got another wardrobe at the other side. And look at that, there's even a lock on it there. I don't know if there's, don't know where the key for that lock is, but look, you can store plenty of stuff in there. So that's amazing. I am actually really impressed with this Caravan. So we come down here, and to our left we've got the main bathroom. So you've got a little shower cubicle. Look at that, that looks dead cool. I mean, the way that shower cubicle just moved, right, and I know it's old, but it's almost futuristic as well. Right, presuming that slides wider than that, because if it don't, there's no way I could get in it. Must just be a bit stuck. Yeah, you can see, look, it moves a bit more, but once it's situated in a proper pitch, that'll be sorted. Again, nice tall shower, perfect for tall people. And then again, you've got that strange gaudy sticker that someone stuck on there that they thought was a good idea. And then we've got a nice big mirror, so you can really take a look at things, brush your teeth. We've got a boiler in there, pretty standard. So, oh, we've even got a little mirror in the hallway. Look, check that out. It's hard to really take a photo of a mirror, isn't it? Right, so coming back in here, just so you can see it one more time. Just scanning around. Fantastic. Honestly, this is an amazing Caravan, and whoever sold this, I reckon this Caravan would have been the love of their life. So that's it. That's the Atlas Sherwood Super, a 2007 Caravan that's for sale for £21,495. Now, it's only got 5 years left on park, but when you look at it like that, it is only just over £4 a year. Now, if you break that down, these days, you'd be lucky to get 2 weeks abroad, all inclusive maybe, for £4 for 2 weeks, right? Whereas you can have this every single weekend. You can come for as many weeks as you like. Obviously, you've still got your pitch fee to pay and things like gas and other issues. And if you are wondering actually how much it costs to have a Caravan, right, check out this video that I've done just here and you can watch all about it. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you down the pub.